Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to block someone on Messenger. Now let's begin. Do make sure that you have the Messenger application installed in your mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to block someone on Messenger. Let's begin. Right here is my friend Tom. I'm simply gonna click on his chat right here. And right here, you can see I'm on the chat settings. What you want to do is click on the very top right. That's right here, and something like this will open up. What you want to do is simply scroll down and you will find some options under privacy and support. Right here is read receipts on, restrict, block and report. You guys simply need to hit on this block button right here. Now you will be given these two options. You can either block messages and calls or simply block on Facebook. You can choose whichever one you wish. But right now we simply want to block on Messenger, so I'm going to select the first option right here. That's block messages and calls. It's gonna ask for my confirmation. If I really want to block him or not, I'm gonna click on block button right here. And as you can see, we have successfully blocked him on Messenger. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you block someone on Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.